Hey, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air, and this is about commercial plumbing in Miami. Because when plumbing goes down at a business, it's not an inconvenience, it's lost revenue. A restaurant that can't use its kitchen, an office with no working restrooms, a property with a leak threatening multiple units, every hour matters. What commercial clients need isn't just a plumber. It's one who shows up fast, works around your operating hours, and understands commercial code and grease traps and backflow, not just residential fixtures. We handle it across Miami-Dade and Broward counties. Restaurants, offices, retail, multi-family units, property management. Scheduled maintenance to prevent emergencies, fast response when one happens anyway, and clear communication with whoever is managing the property. Those are the services we offer. We've done residential and commercial side by side for 35 years. So we know the difference between fixing a home and keeping a business running. We're a licensed Florida plumbing contractor. Our license is CFC 1433-145. If you manage or own a commercial property in Miami, give us a call. Let's set up the right plan before something breaks. Call Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air.